Level 1, The Dreamer. A cool breeze flows through the window. You're 14. In your room, paper scattered. A circuit diagram glows on your computer screen. Your older brother Jake pops his head in. "What are you working on this time?" he asks. You hear the faint hum of your desk fan. A documentary on microchips plays in the background. The intricacy of these tiny circuits captivates you. You scribble notes as diagrams shift on screen. "They fit 1 billion transistors on a fingernail," Jake marvels. The idea of creating something so small but powerful thrills you. You sketch a basic circuit, your first attempt. Your hand hesitates, unsure where to start. You have only one working pen left. The smell of fresh ink fills the air. Your mind races with possibilities and questions. Level 2 is coming. You're ready for more. Level 2, The Beginner. Early morning light filters through your window. A cluttered desk full of beginner's guides. Professor Lin, a kind face, walks past. "Focus on fundamentals," she advises your class. The faint rustling of pages echoes in the room. You attempt your first breadboard circuit in class. An LED blinks, then dims, refusing to light. Frustration gnaws at your patience. You recheck the connections with growing annoyance. You finally notice the misplaced resistor. Your hands are slightly sweaty, nervous but determined. 1. 5 volts, enough to power a small LED. The LED blinks successfully. Triumph in simplicity. Time moves quickly, and you crave complexity. Level 3 awaits, promising deeper challenges. Level 3, The Student. It's a rainy afternoon at the university. The sound of raindrops drums against the windows. Your lecturer, Dr. Ahmed, gestures to an equation. Complex formulas fill the whiteboard, overwhelming and fascinating. Nearby, a student clicks their pen anxiously. You study VLSI design, the backbone of modern tech. The theory is dense, like the gray clouds outside. You feel a mix of awe and confusion. You solve problem sets late into the night. Your desk lamp casts a warm, solitary glow. One equation refuses to balance, a persistent enigma. 43 variables in the latest problem set. Slowly, understanding dawns. A concept finally clicks. The world of transistors and logic gates unfolds. Next, you face the real-world application, Level 4. Level 4, The Intern. You're in a bustling, open-plan office. A chorus of keyboards and quiet chatter surrounds you. Emma, your mentor, wears bright red glasses. "Let's see your approach," she says encouragingly. The aroma of fresh coffee wafts through the air. You dive into schematic design for the first time. Your mentor points out a misaligned trace. Doubt creeps in, questioning your skills. You adjust, learning the nuance of real-world constraints. Your hands tremble slightly, adjusting the trace width. 0. 25 millimeters, the precision needed for this project. Emma nods, satisfied, boosting your confidence. The day ends, and you look forward to more. Level 5 brings the promise of critical thinking. Level 5, The Analyst. A bright afternoon filters through the lab's windows. The steady hum of machines fills the air. Raj, your colleague, has a friendly smile. "Time to test these parameters," he suggests. You analyze the chip's performance under varying conditions. Graphs and charts clutter your workstation's screen. A discrepancy appears, a slight overheating issue. You feel a twinge of anxiety at the anomaly. You run simulations to pinpoint the thermal flaw. The keyboard clacks under your fingers, a rhythmic sound. 87 degrees Celsius, the chip's critical threshold. You propose a cooling algorithm, a tentative solution. Your team appreciates your input, validating your skills. Next is the creation phase. Level 6 waits. Level 6, The Developer. Late evening, the city lights twinkle outside. The quiet hum of the building's HVAC fills the room. Sophia, a junior developer, watches intently. "This can revolutionize the market," she says excitedly. You work on developing a new processor architecture. Code compiles on your screen, a digital symphony. An unexpected bug halts progress, a frustrating setback. You feel the weight of responsibility, the pressure mounting. You debug, line by meticulous line. The scent of burnt coffee lingers nearby. 3. 4 billion transistors. Each one must work flawlessly. Finally, the code executes correctly. A relief. You've achieved a breakthrough, but there's more to come. Level 7 promises innovation and impact. Level 7, The Innovator. Dawn breaks over an expansive conference room. The rustle of papers and quiet anticipation fills the space. Your boss, Mr. Chang, an imposing figure, observes. "Present your vision," he instructs confidently. You propose a chip that could change AI processing. A blueprint of the design complements your presentation. Skepticism in some eyes. Doubt whispers in the room. Your confidence wavers, but determination fuels you. You outline the benefits with precise detail. The smell of polished wood and fresh paint linger. 1. 2 teraflops of performance, a staggering number. Applause erupts, signifying the concept's acceptance. You've made your mark, but leadership awaits. Level 8. The lead. A bright afternoon in your spacious office. The click of a mechanical keyboard resonates. Your team, a blend of veterans and newcomers. Let's push the boundaries, you encourage them. You direct a new project, balancing innovation and feasibility. Whiteboards full of sketches and formulas fill the room. A team dispute arises over technical direction. You feel the pressure to mediate effectively. You facilitate a compromise, leveraging everyone's strengths. The smell of dry erase markers mixes with coffee. 5 project milestones, each crucial for success. Your leadership brings unity and progress to the team. New challenges beckon as you rise to visionary. Level 9. The visionary. Dusk settles over the city skyline. A quiet office, the hum of distant traffic. Global partners, speaking through a video conference. We're counting on your insights, one suggests. You strategize the future of chip technology. A world map adorns the wall, marking key sites. Economic concerns threaten to derail ambitious plans. You feel a sense of urgency to act decisively. You craft a vision, aligning global resources. The smell of freshly printed paper fills the room. 300 billion transistors, the projected target for next-gen chips. The board approves your forward-thinking strategy. Your influence grows, but a legacy is next. Level 10. The legend. A soft morning glow fills your home office. The nostalgic sound of an old printer whirs. Your biography arrives, chronicling your career. Impressive journey, says an old colleague visiting. You reflect on decades of technological advancement. The warm pages of the book rest in your hands. The final chapter seems incomplete, a personal challenge. You wonder if the story truly captures your impact. You decide to write a foreword, capturing untold stories. The scent of leather and paper dust surrounds you. 2,000 units, the first print run of the biography. Your story inspires, a testament to perseverance. Yet there's more to pass on. A new era begins. Level 11. The mentor. A lively classroom, filled with eager faces. The sound of chalk on a blackboard echoes. Young students, eyes wide with curiosity. What advice do you have for us? One asks. You share insights from years of experience. Diagrams and anecdotes illustrate your journey. A student struggles with a complex concept. You feel a flashback to your own early challenges. You simplify the idea, making it accessible. The faint smell of chalk dust and old wood. 30 minutes, the duration of your seminar. Their enthusiasm reignites your own passion for discovery. The legacy continues as knowledge is shared. Level 12, the legacy. Twilight casts a golden hue over your workspace. The gentle ticking of a clock marks time. A young designer seeks your guidance, full of potential. Your work inspired me, they admit shyly. You reflect on the impact of your career. Photos and awards line your office shelves. A sense of fulfillment warms you, yet there's impermanence. You wonder if the next generation truly understands your vision. You begin documenting your last great project, a final gift. The aroma of aged wood and varnish lingers. 50 years, the span of your illustrious career. Your legacy lives on, encouraging innovation and excellence. Each ending is a beginning. Another cycle starts anew. Level 11, the mentor. Early morning light filters through the blinds. You sit at your desk, the chair soft beneath you. Jane, your eager intern, enters with a notepad. Her eyes, bright with curiosity, remind you of your past. What was your first project like? She asks. You pause, recalling the clunky circuits and heavy manuals. Messy, you reply with a nostalgic smile. She's eager to learn, to absorb every word you say. You share the wisdom of decades distilled into key insights. A knock on the door, a message from the board. They request your input on the next strategic initiative. You agree, knowing the importance of guiding the future. Your voice, steady and experienced, offers direction. A new generation listens, crafting their own path forward. You send an encouraging message out to the team. A meeting at 3 p.m., plans for the coming quarter. A slight hesitation, wondering if your advice resonates. But trust in your legacy reassures you. A calendar reminder for an industry conference in 2 months. You prepare notes, sharing insights with younger colleagues. The familiar hum of the coffee machine fills the room. Level 12, the Emeritus. It's the evening of your farewell gala. The room buzzes with laughter and clinking glasses. Colleagues and family gather, celebrating your impact. David, your protege, gives a heartfelt speech. He mentions your guidance and unwavering support. You feel the warmth of appreciation from all around. The taste of fine wine lingers as conversations flow. You reflect on the projects that shaped your career. A slideshow plays, images of milestones and triumphs. The applause swells, a testament to your journey. You stand, offering gratitude for the years of collaboration. A sense of closure, yet anticipation for what's next. You exchange contact information, promising future connections. A small token, a plaque in your honor, glimmers in the low light. Your final words are simple yet profound. A toast to innovation, to those who continue the mission. The night concludes, each step towards the exit resonating. You exit the building, the city lights softly illuminating the path ahead. A text from Jane. Thank you for everything. ... You smile, knowing the future is in capable hands. The cycle continues, past and future intertwined.